Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the preparation of hydrogen, laboratory preparation, industrial production and conversion of carbon monoxide in water gas to carbon dioxide. So this is chapter 4. So first I take preparation of hydrogen. So high purity hydrogen, so that is greater than 99.9% we want mean, is obtained by the electrolysis of water. So electrolytes method of water containing traces of acid or alkali. So acid alkali means some bases OH present means that is alkalis. Or the electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, or potassium hydroxide. So you are take any one using a nickel anode and iron cathode. So here nickel is anode and iron is cathode. However, this process is not economical for large scale production. So first see this diagram. So this is the diagram. So here this is hydrogen, this is oxygen. This rod represent anode. So this one is represent iron cathode. So here water is present plus sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. So this is the membrane. So this is the model of the electrolysis. And next one, so what is happened at anode and what is happened at cathode. So at anode, so here 2 times of OH, so that is base alkali, it is converted into water molecules. What is the formula for water? H2O plus here 2 electron is present, so 2 electron plus what is remaining? Oxygen is remaining, so here oxygen. So how is balance the equation? So here hydrogen 2 times, so H2, oxygen 2 times, so here 1 time, so here oxygen cancel this one, so oxygen 1 time. So electron 2 times, so here 2 times of electron. And next one, what happened at cathode? So 2 times of water molecules is taking here plus 2 electron. It gives 2 times of hydroxyl. So here H2O, I write like this, 2 twos of 4. So here 2 times of hydrogen, here 2 times of hydrogen. So totally 4 times of hydrogen is present. The next one, oxygen 2 times. So here oxygen 2 times. And 2 electrons. So here 2 times of electron. So this is minus symbol. And next overall reaction. So overall reaction means subtract this one. So 2OH, 2OH is cancelled. So here H2O 2 times. Here H2O 1 time. So 2 minus 1, 1 time of H2O gives. So here hydrogen, so here also hydrogen is present. So plus half times of oxygen. 2 electron is cancelled. So 2OH, 2OH is cancelled. So what is remaining? So that is the overall reaction. So H2O, 2H2O minus H2O, 1 H2O it gives. So here remaining H2, here remaining half times of oxygen. So this is the preparation of hydrogen. And next one is laboratory preparation. So hydrogen is conveniently prepared in laboratory by the reaction of metals such as, so here metal mean zinc, iron, tin. So these are the metals with dilute acid. So any type of dilute acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid or any type of acid. So first how it is formed? So any type of metal is taking zinc metal, iron metal, a tin metal. You are taking any one of the metal. So suppose you are taking zinc metal mean. So what is happen there? So zinc plus, so any acid, dilute acid. So I take HCl. So here we prepared hydrogen. What is the formula for hydrogen? H2. Hydrogen gas only prepared. So this is the laboratory method. So H2 plus what is remaining? Zinc chloride. So here hydrogen 2 times. So 2 times of HCl. So what is remaining? Here zinc, here chlorine 2 times. So zinc chloride. So here hydrogen gas is prepared. So this is hydrogen gas. So this is the diagram. So here we take zinc. So here dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. So any acid. So here hydrogen gas is obtained. So this is the laboratory preparation of hydrogen. And the next one, industrial production. So in the large scale hydrogen produced by steam reforming of hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons mean methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. These are the hydrocarbons. We want large scale, large amount we need. So hydrogen is produced by steam reforming of hydrocarbons. Okay. In this method, hydrocarbons such as methane, what is the formula for methane? CH4. So that is the formula for methane. Is mixed with steam and passed over nickel catalyst in the range 800 to 900 degrees Celsius. So that is the temperature and 35 atmospheric pressures. So first methane formula CH4 plus water molecules. So water molecules H2O in the presence of nickel. So what is formed here? CO. So carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide plus what is remaining? We have to prepare hydrogen gas. So here hydrogen 2 times, here hydrogen 4 times. So totally hydrogen ranges 6 times of hydrogen. 6 times hydrogen means how to write? Hydrogen formula H2. So here 6 times, so 3 moles of hydrogen. So 3 2s are 6. Here the temperature is 800 to 900 degrees Celsius and 35 atmospheric pressures. In another process, steam is passed over a red hot coke to produce carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The mixture of gases produced in this way is known as water gas. So water gas means that is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. This is also called syngas. So syngas, another name is synthetic gas. So as it is used in the synthesis of organic compounds such as methanol and simple hydrocarbons. Okay, let us see the equation. So first we take carbon that is reacted with water molecules. It gives carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So carbon is reacted with water molecules. So what is formed here? Carbon monoxide plus H2 gas. So that is hydrogen. So carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. So represent water gas or syngas. So that is synthetic gas. So here the temperature is 1000 degrees Celsius. And next one is conversion of carbon monoxide in water gas to carbon dioxide. So the carbon monoxide of the water gas can be converted to carbon dioxide by mixing the gas mixture with more steam at 400 degrees Celsius and passed over a shift converter containing iron or copper catalyst. So this reaction is called as water gas shift reaction. Okay. So first we take carbon monoxide plus water molecules. So it gives carbon dioxide plus hydrogen. The carbon dioxide formed in the above process is absorbed in a solution of potassium carbonate. So listen. So carbon monoxide plus H2O. It gives carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. And next one, the carbon dioxide formed in the above process. So in this process is absorbed in a solution of potassium carbonate. So carbon dioxide plus potassium carbonate plus water molecules H2O. So what is formed? Potassium bicarbonate. So potassium bicarbonate. So here number of potassium 2 times. So 2 times of potassium, hydrogen 2 times. So here also hydrogen 2 times, carbon 2 times. So here carbon plus carbon 2 times. Oxygen 3 2s are 6. So here 3, 4, 5, 6 times of oxygen. So that's all for conversion of carbon monoxide in water gas to carbon dioxide. Okay, thank you students. So this is the preparation of hydrogen. So laboratory preparation, industrial production and conversion of carbon monoxide in water gas to carbon dioxide. Thank you students.